हाँ तू ही रसना जपते तू ही रसना जपते मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही रसना जपते एक ओंकार सत नाम करता पुरख निरभਉ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Welcome to the Word of Sikhism program. I am Chatur Singh Saini. I have with me very respected Bhai Sahib Gurdarshan Singh Ji from Guru Gobind Singh Foundation. We are translating the Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Gurbani Japji Sahib. Bhai Sahib is going to start where we left off last week. Thank you, Bhai Sahib Ji.
Thank you everyone for coming back to learn from Guru Nanak Dev Ji's words. And his words are not easy to translate, but we are trying our best that we can improve our own lives. We can learn from Guru Nanak Dev Ji, that discover our own reality and live in that state of love, state of service, state of compassion, that those virtues become part of our daily life. That I always believe that religion is not something we believe in. Religion is something which we live.
Which we practice.
Absolutely. If we are not living, if we are not practicing, that it is just a mere philosophy. What Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking about in Japji Sahib, as last 3 weeks we spent on Panch Praman, Panch Pradhan, the 16th stanza of Japji Sahib, और 16वीं पौड़ी जपजी साहब ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਲਈ, ਡਿਸਾਈਪਲਸ ਲਈ, those who are seekers of enlightenment or seekers of truth, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji talks about in his Bani, he says ਗਾਵੀਐ ਸੁਣੀਐ ਮਨ ਰੱਖੀਐ ਪਾਓ, ਕਿ when you are singing God's praises, Gaviya, suniye. While you are singing, listen to your own self. Contemplate what you are singing. And don't just sing to sing, but sing to express your own heartfelt feelings, to learn, or express your own inner desire. The desire to be one with the Creator. He says, Gaviya, suniye. While you are singing, listen what you are singing. While you are talking, listen, pay attention what you are talking. Man rakhiye pao, and have reverence for these words. What will happen is, he says, dukh parhar, sukh kar le jaye. And when you contemplate on these words, when you are living these words, of those enlightened beings. And dukh parhar, and you will get rid of pains and sufferings. Sukh kar le jaye, the sukh, happiness will take place in your life. And that is the whole purpose of life is. And we want to be peaceful, we want to be happy. We want to achieve the state of happiness. And he is saying it, if you really looking for to be happy,
Peaceful.
peaceful, and then live that way. Change your life. Change your thinking. Unless you change your thinking, you will not be able to bring those values in your life. And last time when we were talking about last 3 weeks, Panch Pravan, Panch Pradhan, a person who sings with love, who listens with love, who reads with love, becomes Panch. Panch means the chosen one. A person whose life is changed. A person whose life is transformed. A person who is living those virtues, living those values, becomes Panch. As we have used this term in villages as Panch, the best
Elected
in
official
the
in the
village.
villages, yes.
And Guru Sahib says, Pancham Panch Pradhan Tehi, Jeh Janyo Prapanch. Kaun hai Panch? Who's the Panch? He says, Pancham Panch Pradhan Te. Those people are the leaders of this universe. Jeh Janyo Prapanch, those who are able to recognize what is truth and what is false, what is right and what is wrong. And Guru Sahib says, those people, Panche Paven Darghaman, those people are recognized by nature, those people are recognized by the Creator. They are honored by the Creator. Panche Sohe hain Dar Rajan, their life is beautified in the court of God. And rather, they are the real beauty of this world. They are the real dignity of this world. Then his Guru Sahib says, Pancha ka gur ek tehan. He says their whole attention is towards the Creator. Because they are attached to Creator, they are in tune with the Creator. Whatever Creator's values are, they are living those values. Whatever Creator's virtues are, they are living those virtues. And he says, Jeko kahe kare vichar, and whatever they say, if somebody asks them, we talk about nature, talk about the creation.
The energy of the God, natural energy, right.
Jeko kahe kare vichar, what they say is, karte ka karana nahi shumar. They say, we cannot talk about, we cannot say. If we say, we will not be able to explain what is around us.
Yeah.
Our life is surrounded by these mysteries for us and reality for Panch. Those people who live that experience. Then he says, Karte ka karna nahi shumar, taul, taram, daya ka poot. The very myth which we used to hear when we were growing up, that this earth is being taken care by a bull who's holding this whole earth on his horns. And Guru Sahib says that bull is a myth. The bull, real bull, is the divine law. Divine law. The hukam. Shabad.
Right.
This system is running by very detailed, very minute laws of nature, which we have beyond our comprehension. We could just wonder. We cannot even able to realize those laws at that level. We can wonder about them. You can discuss. And Guru Sahib says, Karte ka karna nahi shumar, taul, taram, daya ka poot, santokh thap rakhya jan soot. Why? Because this universe is a play, this is a drama of the Creator, and it has come from the very contentment of Creator's state. You know, we have seen in life, anything you are doing out of contentment, it gives you peace,
Sort of satisfaction.
set of satisfaction. Any act you do.
Right.
And Guru Sahib says, Santokh thap rakhya jin soot. Here I want to stop that the Guru Sahib says, the Santokh, contentment is such a powerful virtue, or powerful energy within you. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji in Asa Ki War says, so, Sev Kiti Santokhi Jini Sacho Sach Tihaya. Who is the real servant of the Creator? A person who is connected with the divine. Can that whatever that person does, he or she does out of that connection. And his connection makes his or her service perfect, and makes his or her service fruitful and useful.
Right.
ਸੇਵ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੰਤੋਖੀ ਜਿਨ ਸੱਚੋ ਸੱਚ ਧਿਆਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਫ ਦ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਦ ਬੈਡ ਡਸ ਨਾਟ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟ ਇਨ ਦੈਮ
Yeah.
ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਬੁਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ
Right.
ਉਹਨੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕਰ ਸੁਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਧਰਮ ਕਮਾਇਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਦੇ ਡੂ ਸੁਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਟ ਕਰਮ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਨਿਰਮਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਇੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਉੱਚੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਰਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਵਾਈਨ ਲਾਅ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਤੇ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਨਸਾਨ। ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਕਾਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਥਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ
Right.
ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਕਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੰਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਮਹਾਂਪੁਰਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਪੰਚ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਆਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
Right.
ਸੰਤੋਖ ਥਾਪ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਨਸੂਤ ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੇਵ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੰਤੋਖੀ ਜਿਨ ਸੱਚੋ ਸੱਚ ਧਿਆਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕਰ ਸੁਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਧੁਰੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਿਆਨ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਿਕਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਤ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕਰ ਸੁਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਧਰਮ ਕਮਾਇਆ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੋੜੇ ਬੰਧਨਾ।
Yes.
They are not entangled, they are not imprisoned by the society or the norms of the society.
Right.
They are not slave of anyone.
Yeah.
They are not the followers of the world. They are the followers of the divine law. Only dunya tode bandhana. They don't even care. They are not careless, but they are carefree.
Yeah.
What people think of them, what people talk about them, because their connection makes them they're powerful. उन्हें दुनिया थोड़े बंधना अन्न पानी थोड़ा खाया. Their lifestyle is also very much in
Controlled, in a controlled fashion.
controlled
Yeah.
और ਕਿਸੇ ਸੰਜਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਡਿਸਪਲਿਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
Right.
ਕਿਸੇ ਡਿਸਪਲਿਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੰਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਖਾਇਆ ਤੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ੀ ਅਗਲਾ ਨਿਤ ਦੇਵੈਂ ਚੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਵਾਇਆ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਕਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਕਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਸ ਵੱਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਪਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਥਾਪ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਿਨ ਸੂਤ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਸ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਟਿਕਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਨੇ ਟਿਕਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਵੀ ਜੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਟਿਕ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟਿਕ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਸੁਖਮਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹਾ ਬਿਨਾ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋ ਰਾਜਾ ਵੀ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਨ ਦੀ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸੰਤੋਖ contentment has to do with our state of mind. It has nothing to do with what we have and how much we have. बिना संतोख नहीं को राजा ਬਿਨਾਂ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਤੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕੋਈ ਰੱਜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਨੂੰ ਟਿਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੰਤੋਖ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦਾ, ਸਥਿਤ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਮੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
Right.
ਉਸ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਗਿਵਨ ਮੀ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਡਿਜ਼ਰਵ, ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਗਿਵਨ ਮੀ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ, you have given me more than ever my needs are. And they are not saying because they have everything, even if they don't have anything, and they receive everything as a blessing, as a blessing.
ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਹੈ, can we say in our word it is a complete satisfaction from the worldly things? That is what santokh is. How do we express santokh? I don't think we have a very good English word for santokh. Santokh is, we can say it's contentment and satisfaction, but it has probably very deeper word in a santokh, that nothing bothers the person who is in that situation, that frame of mind, that I'm satisfied with this, I don't need anything anymore. Is that how we can express the definition of santokh?
Whatever, after reading Guru Granth Sahib and reading Japji Sahib and Bani, the santokh is a state of mind where you feel the life is filled with the grace of God.
Yeah.
Life is connected with the Creator, and the life itself is a so valuable gift, and then you don't desire for anything else. As you said that, we may run out of words, but santokh itself cannot be even described. It is such a powerful virtue, or that powerful state of mind, where person is living completely, totally in bliss.
Yes.
In bliss. And Guru Sahib says, "Je ko bujhe hove sachiar." Any person who understands this mystery of the world, mystery of life, mystery of virtues, mystery of what is around, and Guru Sahib says, hove sachiar, becomes truth, becomes God-like, becomes God's embodiment. One thing is very, very clear in Gurbani. Guru Sahib says that that hidden God, how he or that power comes into seeing. How that power is seen through the devotees, through the people who live God. I'm reminded by a shabad of Bhakt Ravidas ji. He says, Vaheguru ji, jab hum hote tab tu nahi, ab tu hi, main nahi, anal agam jaise lehar mein odad, jal keval jal mahi. In another shabad he says, जौपै हमना पाप करंता अहे अनंता पतित पावन नाम कैसे होता. Oh God, if I was not there, and who has lived a life of sins and have lived a life of unpurity, and have lived a life of incomplete human, and because of your connection I have achieved the state of enlightenment. And he says, "Jaupai hamna paap karanta, ahe ananta, patat pavan naam kaise hunta." And in next line he says, Vaheguru ji, if I am known because of you, and remember God, you are known because of us too.
That's right.
If I was not there, you wouldn't be known. Because when somebody lives virtues or values of God, and he is reminding of God, he is rather bringing God to at a layman level. And that's where Guru Sahib talks about Jeko Bujhe Hove Sachiar. A person who understands the mystery becomes the truth. And now that person also understands that who is the responsible of this world. ਤਬਲਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਭਾਰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬਲਦ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ ਸਾਰੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਭਾਰ ਹੈ that person says it is ਓੰਕਾਰ ਬ੍ਰਹਮਾ ਉਤਪਤ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਕੀਆ ਜੰਚਿਤ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸੈਲ ਜੁਗ ਪਾਏ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਵੇਦ ਨਿਰਵਾਏ it is the ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ it is the ਓੰਕਾਰ who is the creator generator and operator of this world. And then he says ਧਰਤੀ ਹੋਰ ਪਰੈ ਹੋਰ he says there is no end to this universe. So many planets, so many millions of galaxies around us.
Right.
Countless. This the Parthala Kabanzor, who's holding them?
Yeah.
Who's sustaining them? Who's there for their being? And says, Ji, Jat, Ranga ke naam, countless creatures, countless species, countless varieties, countless colors. And there's so many things in this world. And says, Sabna likhya Wudi Kalam. Remember that each and everything exists in this world, that everything is under the Creator. Everything has been printed, made of God, made by God. So when you are living in that state that everything is created by, who would you hate?
Right.
Who would you kill? If you say that all the colors are coming from God, then who will you say this person I cannot associate with? But that though if you say and if you even think, your thinking, your saying is coming totally out of ignorance. Ignorance. If you are a living God, if you are believing in God, you will not disrespect, you will not trash anyone. And because you see Ji, Jat, Ranga ke naam, sabna likhya Wudi Kalam. Everyone has been printed. And that the Wudi Kalam is a wagi hui kalam. वो जड़ी चल रही है, जड़ी सारिਆਂ ਦਾ ਲੇਖਾ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਲਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. That everyone is being watched, everyone is being monitored by the Creator. ਇਹ ਲੇਖਾ ਲਿਖ ਜਾਣਾ ਕੋਏ ਲੇਖਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏ. How can somebody even record this whole? What is happening in this world? That the Creator, that Vaheguru, that Oankar is monitoring each and everyone, taking care of each and everyone. And who is there to write what is being done, what is being written, or what is how that God's hukum is functioning? And lekha likhya keta hoye, keta taan, swale huroop, how much powerful nature there is, how much beauty there is, how much the praise, the virtues, the values there are. And keti daat jana kaun koot, how many gifts there are for everything, for everyone. Jana kaun koot, who can even guess? We cannot. No one can. And Guru Sahib says, Kita pasao, eko kawao, tiste hoye lakh daryao. He says, Kita pasao. The whole universe is coming out of hukam, coming out of one word. One word is Vaheguru's ichha, or the desire. He wanted to create this universe and he created it. Kita pasao, eko kawao. ਉਹਦੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤਿਸਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਲੱਖ ਦਰਿਆਓ. From that very the desire of the Creator to create this universe, and he created thousands, hundreds of thousands of sources of water, rivers, oceans. And Kudrat Kaban kahan vichar, meri ki taakat hai. Even having said all this, describing, have gone through the description of this whole universe, expressing these thoughts, he says, Kudrat Kaban, kahan vichar, meri ki shakti hai, mere ki taakat hai कि मैं कोई विचार कर सका. Then he says, Varya na java, एक वार जो तुद भावै साई भली कार तू सदा सलामत निरंकार। तो वाहिगुरु जी मैं तो एक बारी भी तेरे तो कुर्बान नहीं जा सकता। इट्स एन एक्सप्रेशन दैट आई एडमायर यू सो मच। I can just say Vaheguru. The Vaheguru is the biggest expression. And he says, Jo tud pavai sai palikar, whatever pleases you, Vaheguru, that happens. Tu sada salamat. You are always there. And you are the only entity. Was there before the creation, is there, and will be there. And may Guru Nanak bless us all. And this is the 16th Pauri. Because we talked about in 3 weeks, I just wanted to go through in this week that we have comprehensive understanding of this Pauri.
Bhai Sahib ji, in this Pauri, in your explanation, created a lot of questions in my mind, which we need to repeat it again, like bujje te sachar kis tarah hunda hai, how we accomplish that. We want to thank you all watching the Word of Sikhism. If you have any suggestions or any positive, negative of this program, please call at 202-270-5528 or write us at nationalsikhcenter@gmail.com. We thank you very much for watching the Word of Sikhism program. Thank you.
मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही रसना जपते